In the Seattle area, it's important to determine if you're on an ECA, which is an environmental critical area. And typically that will be the case if you back up to a big steep hill or if you're on a steep hill. And that's going to take some special hoops to jump through getting permitting. Otherwise, as long as the wall's not over 4 feet tall, you don't need a permit. We're mainly considering access. Can we get something even as wide as a wheelbarrow back there? Can we get a truck back there? And those will determine cost factors and whether or not we can do the project. Other things might include material types. Is it a better situation for a rockery, natural stone retaining wall, or is it better for a block wall or a concrete wall? We specifically do rockeries and block walls. If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.